Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi if you're new here, my name is Kira. Today's video, as you can see, I'm going straight in with our Benefit Professional just to cover any pores or large areas that you might have. Next, going into my LA Girl Pro Primer, I think it is. It's just for covering any like redness or discoloration in the skin, which is perfect for me because I have very red pigmented skin. And I'm just going in now with my Maybelline Eraser Eye Concealer just to kind of cover up any kind of dark areas along the nose, down the sides of the mouth, basically make myself look like I have a beard. So that's a great job. Using my beauty blender, Morphe blender to blend this all out, just to make sure it's all seamless and blended into the skin before I place down my foundation. So I always try and do this before, it just helps the foundation blend so much nicer, I think. Going in next with Milani Conceal and Perfect in the shade Natural. This foundation I haven't used in a while. It is quite a full coverage foundation. You can kind of add illuminators and stuff to it, but I find it's fine for my skin. I actually really liked it. It was my fave for so long. I'm just using my brush to blend this into my skin first, just kind of disperse it all over the skin and make sure every area is basically covered. And now I'm going to go in then with my Morphe blender just to blend it all in and make sure it's all seamless into the skin and just blends in nicely into the hairline, and you know. So using my concealer, but Cover FX concealer, and this is in the shade Light, and just kind of concealing my usual areas, as I say every time, the under eyes, down the bridge of the nose, chin, top of the lip, and then just a little bit on my forehead. I never kind of really used to do my forehead, but I've started doing it again. I love this concealer. It's so good, so nice. It is expensive, but it's good. Going in nextly with my Anastasia Fawn. This is actually a foundation, I think, foundation stick. But I use this for contour. It's quite a cool tone contour, so I do quite like it. I just kind of, the usual contour areas, just cream contour around the forehead, jaw, and then on the bridge of the nose and under the lip to kind of accentuate the lips, and just blending this right in with my Morphe sponge again. This thing comes in so handy because I literally do everything with it. But yeah, just blending it all into the skin, just into the foundation nicely. I think it just gives a nice bit of definition to the skin, but not too warm. It just kind of gives a nice base for when you put on your bronzer on afterwards, which is great. And you'll see the bronzer trio that I'm going to be using now, just making sure everything's blended into the forehead as well, because you don't want to have a big patch around the forehead, you know. So using the Sosumi Trio Contour Palette, I'm just using the white powder just to kind of set my whole face basically, and then also going in with the bronzer shade just to basically cut the cheek and just bronze up the whole skin and just give a bit more life to me, because I look a bit absolutely flat at the moment. But yeah, I love this. It's so inexpensive. It's only €13. If you're not from Ireland, Sosumi is like a god, but it's literally the most amazing. Like all her contour products, her lip products, everything that she brings out is literally like a sellout. So if you don't have it, I definitely would try it. It's on Beauty Bay or on our website, so check it out. Going in next with my going in with my blush next, which is my LA Girl cheeky blush, which is a very like peachy corally kind of colour, which are my favourites. These are my favourite kind of blushes to use. I haven't actually delved into a pink one yet, so I'll probably have to try that out because I think it will brighten up my skin a lot. But I love this blush. It's so cheap. It's actually like €7 or something, so get on it. Going in next with my Anastasia Amorisi highlighter. Haven't used this in a while actually, in which I'm very surprised by myself. But this is like gorge. Literally melts into the skin. Just, I don't know, just makes your face look like glass basically. You literally will be seen from space. If you want to be seen from space, this is the highlighter you need, 100%. And going in now to my lips, So using the Primark Pennies PS Beauty lip liner in the shade Toffee. This is so inexpensive, $1.50, can't go wrong, just does the job, so creamy, literally does the work of something that's probably about €30. I've expensive ones, and this is always the one that I end up going back to. It's just a really nice dark brownie colour, which kind of accentuates and works nicely in with the lipstick that I'm going to be using, which is the Charlotte Tilbury Nude Kate, yeah, I was right, Nude Kate lipstick, just to add to the centre of the lips and just blend in that lip liner. They just blend in so nicely, like you literally wouldn't tell the difference. This is like a €30 lipstick, and that's a $1.50 lip liner, so best of both worlds, you know. But this is just so good, and the both of those are beautiful together. Going in my Fenty Fussy Gloss over the top, just to finish off the look and make myself look absolutely fabulous. But that is the finished look. Just added on some Sosumi Lash Bible lashes in the, I actually don't know the style of them, I'll pop it on the screen if I remember. But that is the finished look, guys. I thought I'd just add that in at the end. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe down below. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye.